Welcome to our presentation on demonstration speech ideas. Learn how to create a successful demonstration speech in the following steps. First, choose a topic you are passionate about and know about for a better understanding. Consider your audience and tailor your demonstration to their interests and level of understanding to fully utilize their attention. Conduct thorough research on your topic to ensure accuracy and credibility. Gather all necessary materials and equipment before giving your speech and keep them secure. Create an outline to organize your demonstration and keep it to the mark where it needs to be. Practice your demonstration multiple times to become confident and comfortable. Use props, hand gestures, and eye contact to engage your audience. Be prepared for unexpected events and have a backup plan. Keep your demonstration simple and easy to understand. Use storytelling to make your demonstration more engaging. In conclusion, a well-prepared demonstration speech can be a powerful tool to educate and inform your audience. Remember to choose a topic you're passionate about, tailor it to your audience, research thoroughly, and rehearse. This concludes our presentation on demonstration speech ideas. If you like our content, then like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel to get more information.